Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, you have not yet subscribed, guys, please do me a favor by clicking on that subscribe button. Really, I need you to subscribe, like, share, also make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. So let's take a look at gold for this week. But before I get started, if you are yet to follow me on Telegram channel, the link to my Telegram channel will be in the comment section. So just go to the comment section, click on the link, follow me on Telegram. There I will be putting out tons of information. I'm about to share some information on the news we will be expecting next week and how the news is going to affect our gold. So if in case you're interested in trading this gold, you would want to know some fundamental news that will affect it. So make sure you follow me on Telegram. I'll put the some information there. Now let's take a look at what this gold is. First, let's know what the trend is. Basically, before you take a trade, you would want to know the trend for that trade, and you can see that this is a downtrend movement. Basically, we can see a lower lows and a lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, right? Those of you that are following me on Telegram, you would have seen how we actually took a sell from this level. I actually shared the free signal from this level. We actually got to this level, then price dropped. We made some profits. If you are following me, you should know about that. Now, to my Patreon subscribers, they were actually able to take a sell from this level, which I also shared the results to my Telegram channel. We were actually able to take a sell from this level. We took a profit from here. Right now, we've taken another sell from this level, and currently this trade is still running, by the way, and it is currently in profit. So we are looking to move, very soon we are looking to move this trade to break even. So if in case this gold reverses, this gold reverses, then we are going to opt out with a zero loss. We are going to have a very zero loss. But if in case it goes our way, then we will go ahead to profit. So in case you are interested in more gold signals or more gold setups where we will give stop loss, where we will give entry points and take profits, then you can subscribe to my Patreon. Once you subscribe to my Patreon channel, again, you'll be able to get to the street. Now back to this my gold. With what I'm still seeing, I'm still speculating a downward movement. This movement could be the last one. I want you to know, because with what I'm seeing, gold wants to give us a reversal movement. Probably that reversal movement will start going bullish. All we just have to do is just watch the DXY, by the way. So just watch your DXY. The DXY will determine, once the DXY starts falling, then we can now expect more bullish move on gold. But right now, DXY is still going bullish, so we still expect more drop on gold. Like I've seen, I'm still expecting a reversal, probably one more wave down or two more wave down. Like something like one, a correction, and the final wave, which is the second wave, before we can start expecting a reversal movement on gold, or gold can give us that one more wave, the final wave, before that reversal will play. So probably one or two wave downward before gold give us a reversal, which will be giving us, which we start seeing some bullish move on gold for some times. So watch out for it, be very careful. But as at now, what price is currently showing us, we can see it. Price is below our 10 period simple moving average. It is also below our 20 period simple moving average. So that is to tell you that we still expect more downward movements on gold. So we still expect more bearish move. So on the 1 hour time frame, we can still see it, right? This was kind of like a previous support level. We all know once price breaks a support level, that previous support level tends to turn to the new resistance level. So this was the support level previously. When price broke below it, price came to test it, which now serve probably as a resistance. So now price is now dropping. We are seeing a minor correction here. So with this minor correction, I'm expecting one more movement on gold. So basically more trade signals and everything on gold, setup, profits, take profits, stop loss, and everything I'll be sharing to my Patreon channel. So if in case you're interested, you can become one of my Patreon subscribers and you'll get those access to some of the trade signals I'll be giving on gold for the week.